Okay, we're gonna do a brake jab, brake on these wheels on right side. Just to let you know, I already loosened those bolts off. One thing that the lug nuts are loose, I did, so it's good in the video that I stopped. Wait, I'm gonna lose it later on. All right. So we are looking at right here. All right, so here we go. Floating pin, 13 comes off. So now you got to deal with the calipers. So your best bet is get a flat screwdriver from here. All right, so now after those pins are off, we have to remove this brake caliper. All right. Remember not to put this line on the stress. Up again. So I gotta make sure it's not on the stress. See if I could knock those guys out. That's what you do when you're snapping this thing. They're like a pressure. And wow, look at that. And then the next one is right over here, so you could take a screwdriver right there, twist it. That's right off. The next job is to compress that piston. I don't know if you want to call it a hack. I don't have this fancy tool, so I'm going to put this old brake pad into here, so I got something to grab with the good old C-clamp. All right, when I remove this, obviously to do this job, check out this brake pads. Completely done. Thank God it didn't hit the disc. So this is the guy that goes in the back, and this is the pad that goes in the front. Now the only thing you have to look out is excuse me, when you buy this attachment right here, this and this, because last time I think I ordered them and didn't have these little attachments. And the new ones, I'll show you the new ones. New ones, you have to have this, because that goes into that hole right there. I mean, from the inside. Now, show you the back. This is the back. You have to have the retainer in compared to this. And it came with some spring. So, hey, listen, I'm already here. Might as well change it and put a new set of brake pads. And you should just check out the brake sensor. Right. Almost, it's already shiny, as you can see, so it's already barely touching. I didn't hear no noise, but that's where we're in the process. I gotta find out where this retainers or metal clips, because there's nothing here. I have to open this up again to see if I find this. Okay, I'm getting the seat clamp ready for this operation. Here and here. Make sure that your brake line is not on distress. Everything's going good. She's going in. At the same time, almost forgot. Go to your engine bay and open up your brake fluid reservoir. So what I'm doing is I'm pressing this and I keep an eye on the reservoir because you don't want that thing to overflow. Because remember, you're putting fluid back into the system. So actually I could press and I'm looking at the reservoir. Actually now, okay, just to show you what's going on, I use the old brake pad with the C-clamp, tighten it up so the piston can go all the way inside so I can take the new brake pads, because the new brake pads it has a lot of meat and it's not going to fit there. But when you're doing that, you have to make sure that your reservoir, like on mine, look what's happening to mine. I'm all the way to the top, so I have to remove some of that stuff before I keep going, because if I keep going, this is going to be a mess right here. So you could actually do it from here and watch your reservoir. That's what I did. So now I gotta find something so I could take away some of that fluid, because I still gotta go a little bit more. I had about this much to go. Show you the final result. So now the piston is all the way down, and I use this with the C-clamp to get that piston all inside. So now we're good. So the new brakes is this retainer supposed to go into that hole. I don't know if it's easy said and done, but we'll see. And there it is. And the other one, but look what I found. Bare metal. So whoever put this brakes before, I guess, forgot to put this metal. It should go like over here, like so. One, and the other one, of course, is going to be the opposite. Like so. Hey, I guess either the other owner didn't bother to put this, so just to let you know that that's where it goes. So now I have to compress that piston, because obviously there's more meat in this brake. So if you put it on, it will not fit. So I got to figure out. I don't have the fancy tool. All I have is a C-clamp. So you know what? This is going to be the bonus round to tell you at the end how to change the brakes on this 1991 Cadillac Seville.